Very nice. Solid. Mates, how is life behind bars? Coming to you live from the barn on a cold, wintry Sunday afternoon. I wanted to let you all know that we are getting involved with Black Friday and there will be some deals to be had. However, I am giving you some options. Now, I touched on this briefly in my last video about the dial dim. And at the beginning of it, I start talking about supply and Black Friday and stock arriving and being quick because we sell out very quickly. But what I want to let you know is, as of midnight, like at 00 hours on Black Friday, the sale will start. We will be doing a 10% discount off all A Bike Thing bundles. Now, I want you to bear in mind, it's not 10% of recommended retail price because the prices of my bundles are already somewhere between 7 to 11% off the original RRP. Now, when you look at individual Denali products on the website, they are already 5% under RRP. So the actual price is pretty good when you're comparing it with the original selling price. Now, unfortunately, I can't do discounts on other items like SW Motec, the in-off dash cam. Now, what I have done for you is I've actually spoken to all of my suppliers and asked them for incentives to try and bring Black Friday deals to you, but unfortunately not everybody could help in this area. Now, although I can give you a fantastic discount on Denali stuff and also Hex, and on that note, the GS911, there are 3 of those. We are doing a 20% discount on those, so grab yourself one of them ASAP. And I've got lots of the GS911s in stock. They've literally just arrived fresh in. So you've got plenty of the USB version GS911s, and then we've got the Wi-Fi versions of the 911s, and then we've got the professional series. When you go onto the website and click on the GS911s, you'll see that there are options of the enthusiast license or the professional license. It explains exactly everything on there, the difference between the two, between the enthusiast and the professional license. I have actually planned for year-end offers well in advance, and I've been planning all of the profits from the business over the last 2 years straight back into stock, so we've got plenty of stock. But as I mentioned in the previous video, supply chain issues are still an issue and stock is not arriving when we are expecting it. I'm currently sitting on a very healthy load of stock, which is fantastic, ready between now and Christmas. The Black Friday sale will not start until Black Friday, but my message to you is, if you want to guarantee delivery before Christmas and actually get stock that we have in stock right now, then don't wait till Black Friday and grab yourself the products that you need now if it's crucial that you get it before Christmas. If on the other hand, Christmas is not essential to you to have the products by then wait till Black Friday and grab yourself the bargains. You might get lucky and secure the stock that we currently have here now. And it's not a little bit of stock, we have plenty of stock right now, but I'm just forecasting that this is going to run out very quickly because we're getting busier and busier. So if you're watching this on YouTube, Instagram or some sort of social media platform, then please click on the link below or the link above to take you through to our landing page, which is abikething.com/Black Friday. On there you will be able to retrieve your coupon code, which you can enter in on the shopping basket. The way I have configured this on the shopping cart of the website is that you'll automatically get 10% off all Denali and Hex products and Denali bundles on the website. So if you end up putting an SW Motec tank bag or some bar risers or something else like a Skylift, it just won't show on the shopping cart as being discounted. But anything that's got a Denali product in it, like an A Bike Thing bundle, a Hex product, they will all have 10%. If you decide to put a GS911 in your shopping basket as well, that will automatically already be discounted. So when you go onto the GS911 product page, I've already discounted that from the RRP down by 20%. So that will not show as being extra discounted on the shopping cart. So it's important you make a note of that. Just so you realise that the discount's already been taken care of actually on the listing, and then at the end of the Black Friday sale, which will be on midnight on Monday, that will then go back up to the recommended retail price again. Now, I've mentioned in previous videos, if the website says it's in stock, well then it means it's in stock. But we put these bundles together under the A Bike Thing bundles section under product categories. Now, when I put these bundles together, it's basically a bundle of products, singular products on the website all put together. Now, based on the platform that we use, which is called WooCommerce, it's very difficult to create our own SKUs and show them all as in stock because each bundle is derived from singular products. So if you need to know if all the components of that bundle is in stock, well then click on each individual product in that bundle, which is actually written in the listing, and click through and see if those items are in stock. Because if it's not in stock, well that will hold the bundle up. We've just been notified that Denali have got further delays on their CanSmart, which means if you do buy a Denali bundle, it will come with an Easy Can in the bundle, not a Denali CanSmart, which is the same product. A link up above if you want to see that video showing the comparisons, the non-differences between the Hex Easy Can and the Denali CanSmart. But we appreciate there are people out there, we've got back orders in place already where people have stipulated that they want to have the Denali CanSmart just because it's black and it says Denali on there and not Hex Easy Can, and that's fine. It's just we are obviously communicating with our customers to let them know about the delays and whether they want to exchange that for a Hex Easy Can or a Denali CanSmart. And new, just in, there's no Black Friday deals on this because SW Motec aren't giving me the incentives to which I can bring forward to you. But check out this engine guard. I call it a belly pan. It's absolutely rock solid, a mean bit of kit. I've had to take off my OEM crash bars off my KTM 1290 Super Adventure S to get it on there, to then discover the crash bars don't go back on there again unless you buy the SW Motec crash bars, which I'm hoping are going to arrive next week. So just a note, if you want one of these belly pans for your new 1290 Super Adventure, it will not be compatible with your OEM crash bars. Enjoy Black Friday, hope you get all the deals that you want. Have a great week between now and then, and I'll see you in the next video.